Now let's talk about another seal type, and that is the O-ring seal. Now the O-ring seal is kind of unique because it's based on where the O-ring is located. So to tell if something has an O-ring seal, it's pretty straightforward. It's got an O-ring in it. In this particular case, this one has an O-ring at the base of the threads. This one has an O-ring that will fit in the flange end. And then finally, we have one that'll have an O-ring that'll fit in the nose of the male. All these are O-ring seals, and each one is a little different. Now that we've identified how the coupling seals, let's take a visual inspection. As I mentioned earlier, the O-ring face seal has an O-ring in the face of the male, and that seats against a flat surface in the female. If you're dealing with an O-ring boss, the O-ring is in the base of the male, and that will screw into the port to the female, which will have a flat seal surface that the O-ring will push against. And finally, if you have a flange, the flange will fit down over the port, and you'll have two flange halves that hold it down.
Hello friends, my name is Lalit Ahuja. My company, Hydraulics and Pneumatics, part of Ahuja Group, is the authorized dealer for Gates hydraulic hoses. We have a state-of-the-art plant for manufacturing fittings and crimping hoses with Uniflex Germany machines, and every hose is tested before it is dispatched. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.